Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where you get this error, a problem with Windows is preventing sniping tool from opening, then please watch this video. Now there are three things that we would do. First of all, the issue can either be with the computer, or it could be with third-party applications interfering with the process, or it could be with the sniping tool. So before anything else, update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to Windows Update, click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to reduce the chances of interference by third party applications. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab, check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on Disable all, Apply, OK, and then finally restart it. And lastly, with the sniping tool, search for sniping tool. Now go to App Settings in the right pane. Scroll down, click on terminate, select repair, and then click on reset and then on reset once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.